my channel. In today's video we're gonna clean up the fridge, restock it, organize it, and take the duvets for some cleaning. Stay tuned to the end. Here's the state of my fridge. I defrosted yesterday, but I've not cleaned it. I just removed the water. I think there's still water. You can see chafu iko. So I removed everything that was unnecessary. I cooked the last bit of meat remaining. I cooked it yesterday. So I want us to clean up so that you can know what needs to be bought. So let us clean up this fridge together today. So I hop on to cleaning the parts that I removed from the fridge. I prefer using soap and water because I feel it cleans more effectively. Okay, you can still use that liquid thing from that spray bottle, but I prefer this way when I'm doing the general cleaning every month. So you can see I cleaned up those parts of the fridge, those compartments effectively using soap and water, and later on rinsed with clean water. I also cleaned the organizers that I used to organize things in my fridge, the ones I used to put my yogurts, drinks, and my vegetables, my tomatoes and all. So I cleaned them so that the time that I restock, everything will be fresh and neat. So let us clean up everything, get them clean and dry them up.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show.
So I also removed the rubber on the door, upper and lower side. So some people I know hawajui it can be removed, so you can remove it and clean it. You know that's where the build-up is, because most people don't clean that part. So I clean the rubber effectively inside, rub it inside, because sometimes cockroaches can really breed from there. There's a lot of dirt, so ensure you clean it and rinse it effectively as I am doing.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
So this is where those rubbers were. I guess fridge nakwanga na rubber hapa. So I know most of you don't know it. You remove it and wash it and you can return it. It's very easy actually. You know there's usually build-up of cockroaches and all form of that. So if you can manage to be removing it maybe once in 3 months or once every month depending, it's good. So I got it from here. So let me clean up the fridge. This one when nakata kutoka, I don't want to force it because I don't want it to break. So let us clean up in here.
Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart. show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
There we go. You're done. So it can't close nicely because there are no rubbers. But you can see what we've just done. It's clean. Everything is okay. Haka nikale kashimo kwa kutoa. So my fridge has just evaporates. Yangu si lazima nitoe that thing. There you can see how neat. So it's going to sleep like that overnight, and those things are going to stay there overnight, so that in the morning I'll just return them, then do shopping and pack pole pole. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ami Mothaka. Welcome to my space. So in today's video we're going to do a shopping, a monthly haul, grocery, everything like nyama, a lot of things. We're going to I'm going to do a small haul, explain everything, organize it in the fridge with you guys. So stay tuned up to the end. Acha tufanye kitu pamoja. We're going to do everything, organize everything into that fridge that we just cleaned. There are things that I didn't buy today because I found the place where I buy closed. Okay, I don't know why it was closed, but I'll go tomorrow and get them. And of course I'll insert that video into this clip. Yeah, so let us do the haul together. So I got yogurt, different kinds of yogurt. I want to this month. Okay, I know this is mid-month, but I've made peace with the fact that I do my shopping mid-month. So different kinds do a smoothie, because this month I really want to try smoothies. If you haven't tried this, my dear friend, you're missing out. This mazwalala is out of the world. This is meat. It's 5 kg. Yeah, it's 5 kg of meat. It's been okay, imepakiwa hivi but ni nyama ndani. We'll organize it together. Here now we have things from Farmer's Choice. I've been trying to start eating pork and it's not that bad. So here we go, pork, beef sausages. Okay, they are cold. Smokies. Oh god, these are going to fall. Let me push it there. Here we go. There's chicken inside there. These two things, chipolatas. I just bought kidogoni. Nakumbuka, I've ever tasted this thing, but I don't think I remember how they used to taste. And there, and chicken. Then kuna these things. I eat them too much. The one thing I want you to know is this one. Kama hujajaribu, it's new in the market. Okay, imeka like 2 months or 3. If you have not tried this, please go and try it. I've already even eaten one before doing this haul. I can say I bought another. And mimi, I love myself. This is just for organizing eggs. Let me move it from here. So we move to the next. Here, ooh, I nearly broke them. These are eggs, 32 eggs, because my tray fits 32 eggs. This one, nilikosa what I was looking for. That's what I need to buy kadogo. I usually get the yellow lentils. If you know, you know. There is a video where I've explained how to cook those yellow lentils. I'll attach the link on the description box. Yeah, I just bought these ones, but sijasema ni mbaya, but I prefer the yellow ones. To the grocery, I got mangoes. Okay, they're not in season, so I'm not expecting them to be very sweet. Mangoes, there we go. Kuna mangoes. Then let me tell you a story. Imagine my mom gave me red these things for horse, and then I left them, so I had to buy. Then we have the yellow ones and the green ones. I want to make my cooking, yani najipikia intentionally. I want to be so intentional about cooking for myself this round. Nimekuwa tu nikikula out. So, ngwashe. I'll cook ngwashe. I'll do a certain recipe with ngwashe. Si ile mmezoea. I'll do something amazing. So stay tuned. Not in this video though. Then, kuna hizi nyanya. A lot of nyanya. And vitungu in the bottom. Saki kutoanisha sahi. There's vitungu in the bottom. Then, kuna viazi. What else have I not shown? Then kuna pilipili. A lot of pilipili. I don't know if that will last. So generally that's the haul. I didn't get to buy some things like juices. Yeah, some juices and spices. I usually get them at a certain place. I didn't get them. I found the place close, so ntanunua tu. Yeah. Let us now organize it together. I organized my eggs in this egg tray, so it holds 32 eggs. That's why I bought 32. I saw them like that so that they can fit in my fridge, because it's not that big and I need to maximize as much space as I can. So I organized them there. 16 on the lower, 16 on top. Trust me, this one's not even last a month. I eat eggs too much. I eat animal protein too much, if you've come to notice. So there. And then I organize my hohos. Those that can fit and those that are excess, I'll just put in the lower part of the fridge. I organize them in this organizer that I got from Kamkunji. You can watch my kitchen makeover video and get to know the prices. I also organize my nyanyas, those that can fit in the fridge and those that are ripe enough. Yeah, so if you want to see where I got these containers from, please watch my video about the kitchen makeover. I will include the link in the description box. On to my meat. Mimi napenda nyama. I eat meat. Do I say daily? Yeah, it's on a daily basis. So I organize my meat into portions that I'll be able to cook. Yeah, there you go. The contact details of the person who delivers meat will be in my description box. The prices range from 350 to 450 depending on the time. On this time I bought at 400 per kg, which is very affordable compared to the prices in the butchery. So if you want to order meat, please use the number that I put in the description box. And don't forget to say I referred you. Yep, there you go. There is my meat. So I'll just zip up and then stock them up in the fridge. And my breakfast stuff, yeah, my bronze. Okay, I'm not a cling film person because Jay joked to me, okay, too. I tend to destroy the cling film. So I was like, I don't want to waste my money. Let me just do what I can. I just separate them into two. Yeah, but somebody told me they'll teach me how to use it. I'm not ashamed to say that I don't even know how to use it. Every time I buy that thing, lazima tu yaribike. So I just opt to put them in this bag so that I can just store them. But when I can be able to use cling film without destroying it, I'll be so happy. So I stock them in the fridge. I put the meat on the lower side because it's much colder down there. I want them to freeze up very fast, just in case the lights Kenya Power can do that thing zisiharibike haraka. The rate at which inaweza haribika will be very low. Yeah, so let's organize the fridge now.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
So what is missing is some juices. Hata hazitatoshea hapa. I've never known what I can place here. Niekelee hivi. This was an extra egg. So the juices, I'll place them here. Here, I'm not a fan of sauces. I don't take sauces. This is the only sauce I take so far. Oh, na mayonnaise. Maybe I can get. No, I won't get it. So, acha, we shall fill it tomorrow, pale. And maybe here I'll get some to flavored milk. Maybe not. Oops, I had forgotten to put this. Itabidi lale hivi. Yeah. So I just have to lie like that. Yeah. So I got this later on from Quickmart. They were going for 100 bob each. I didn't need many since I have really a cook dilute. I got this for breakfast and this. And I needed this. There's someone who told me they want to sell some spices to me. DM me on Instagram. Sikukumbuki an exercise book because I need an exercise book. Let me now insert this where they're supposed to be in the fridge. The space that was there, this one goes there and goes there. That will last me for a while. So I removed the jug that was in place this year. It's just going to be empty as this. So let us see the final outcome. So this is enough to last me a while. These are just things for the fridge. Yeah, I don't cook cereals and pack them there. Okay, the only cereal I take is actually Kamande. I cook it when I need it. So there we go. My duvets got picked for cleaning. They're very dirty. So I think you saw them when they were leaving this place. They are clean now. I've just placed them here because my bedroom is disorganized before I make my bed. You can see how clean they are. And they smell better. Like zinanuki. I don't even think this camera is doing this justice. Kabisa. Yeah, but you can see the kind of work that they did. There's nothing as amazing as clean bed sheets, as clean beddings. Yeah, it's cream in color, not pure white. So. Yep.
Miss Lady, I know what you're looking for. That's why you're staring at me. Miss Lady, we can go where you wanna go.